So it has approached dinner time, and let me show you what we're working with here. We got the Lodge Hibachi grill, and we are cooking some burgers, patties made up at Farm Fresh Meats over in Robertsdale, Alabama. Our favorite place to get fresh meat. So that's going good. Abby has been waiting for
a really long time
to get her mac and cheese noodles to boil, and this burner just they're burning. We've been waiting for like 30 minutes for that to come up to a boil.
That's gonna be epic right there.
I timed it right because I just threw the burgers on.
It's gonna be epic.
All right, so the old Flame King, I'm sorry, but it just does not do very well on trying to get something up to a boil quick. I mean, it gets the job done, but it takes longer than what you would expect it to take.
It does.
So just know that going into these, you know, little bolt-on accessories for a camper. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to my meat over here. Look at this. You hear that? You smell that? Uh-huh. Let's close up our damper a little bit. You don't need that much airflow through the bottom. These won't take long to cook though. 10-15 minutes max. We got a beautiful sunset to our west. You shooting a video?
I'm shooting a video.
Oh, okay. All right. It's about time to flip the burgers.
Ooh. They smell so good.
Yeah, that little hibachi grill is awesome, especially for a small cook like this. Something fast, burgers.
Can you make me some hibachi on it?
I sure can. I can do whatever you want. Look at that.
Mmm. Yep.
See that char? Scald. Look at that. Just like when you do a steak. Perfect. Mmm.
I'm so hungry.
Well, luckily we've been waiting on your mac and cheese.
Which is almost ready.
Because I thought that these were going to be done before the mac and cheese. But
I nailed it.
I waited. So these are almost done.
Good.
Getting close.
Cheese.
We're going to do cheese when they're done. getting a little probe on the temp there. Just about there. Your parents like them well done.
I don't.
This one's a little bit colder than the rest of them. I don't know why. I guess. Huh. Let's see. That one's hotter. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trade spots. This one, the hotter spot. I'm gonna put this one in the colder spot right there. I love this little grill. It's so cool.
Is it time for cheese?
Not yet. I'm waiting. I'll wait until they get to around 150. They're just about there.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna do some just regular old sliced cheese.
This is my favorite part.
Throw it in my pocket there. Abby's gonna get it. This is the difficult part when they're trying to be separated. All right. And then you just cross them to a double cheese. The double cheese is better.
Yes. Ooh,
Almost
that
lost
was
it.
close.
All right, there we go. I'll throw this in the trash, and these are about ready to pull.
Yes.